when my wife Dana and I, when we opened our practice, we knew we had huge goals and visions of just impacting our community. And so in the beginning, it didn't seem like we're making a dent. It's like when I went into a grocery store, when I went anywhere, I expected to know everybody, and it just wasn't happening. You know, we weren't getting all the context, but we just kept being, we just kept doing, we just kept serving, we just kept influencing our community through support, through community outreach, just meeting everybody, just always being that stand-up person, just always being that good person. And then just next thing you know, you just keep planting those seeds, just keep being a solid member of the community, just keep serving, just keep showing up, and then all of a sudden, you're creating this culture in your community that's just totally shifted, and we could be anywhere and people will hear about what we've done or what we're doing in the community.
Yeah, and they say, man, I've heard about you guys, you know?
Yeah.
And that's what's important, is that not to focus on the lack or your problems or what may not be going right just now. It's about focusing on your mission and your purpose, because when you focus on your purpose and you really look at the bigger why, all that how stuff, man, all the negative, all the Debbie Downer stuff, it just goes away.
Yeah.
Focus on your purpose today, create the culture, right?
Yeah.
Just like you guys have done an amazing job in New York and Georgia, we've done it. And when you go out, man, it's like you become your purpose and they see you for that. I love that.
And it's gotta be with consistency.
Yep.
You gotta be consistently showing up.